guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Saturday. I hope everyone's having an amazing weekend. So today I'm going to be creating this really fierce cut crease eye look for you guys. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. It's honestly one of my favorite looks that I've ever done. So I'm really proud of this look. But yeah, if you guys are interested, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing is picking up my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And I've been loving this concealer to prime my eyelids. For today's palette, I'm using my Morphe James Charles palette. And this was, I believe, the second time I used this palette. So I filmed this look a little while ago. And I absolutely fell in love with the palette after I did this look. So the first shade that I'm going into is the really warm transition color, and I'm just really buffing that into my crease and winging out that outer corner. Next, I'm going into this shade right here, and unfortunately I lost the sheet with all the names on each shadow, so I don't know what the names are, but every time that I look at this eyeshadow, I just think of Dusty Rose is the color that I think of from ABH. It's just like this really kind of cool toned pink shade, but it's not cool toned, it's still warm. I don't know how to describe it. And then I'm going into this tapered brush, and I'm just going in left and right motions with that first really warm transition color, and I'm just really diffusing that line. And we're definitely going to be building depth in the crease, so blending between each step is going to be very important, very crucial. Next, I'm going into this darker brown eyeshadow in the palette, and I'm going to be picking up a really defined angled brush. This one's by ColourPop, and I'm just starting to add depth onto that outer corner. So I'm just kind of laying it down, and then whatever I have left over on the brush, I'm dragging it in to blend it out. And then I'm going into this even smaller tapered brush and some more of that dusty pink shade. I'm so sorry for saying the wrong name, but I don't have the name, so I have to try my best to describe each shade, but I'm pretty much just going in left and right motions and just really diffusing that line. Next, I'm picking up the black eyeshadow in the palette, and I'm going in with that same angled brush, and I'm just applying that to the very outer edge. And like I did in the previous step, just going to be dragging in whatever we have left over on the brush. That way we're applying it in a blended manner. Next, I'm picking up a pencil brush and a little bit more of that dark brown eyeshadow just to help us blend out this black eyeshadow. And I'm just kind of doing really soft left and right motions over top of that area, and then going back into our big fluffy brush just to diffuse the edges of that upper crease and just make sure that everything has a really nice gradient. And then I'm going back into my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And I've also been loving this concealer for cutting my lid as well. And as you can see, I'm just kind of cutting the crease and then dragging that concealer down. And I didn't bring it all the way out. I kind of just stopped at that outer edge, and I'm just kind of doing tapping motions to kind of diffuse that concealer and make it look a little blended. So next, I'm picking up this really beautiful bronzy shade in the palette, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my lid. And I did wet my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus, and I absolutely love bronzy shades on brown eyes. It's one of my favorite type of eyeshadows to wear personally. So if you guys have brown eyes, definitely try wearing some bronzy shades. Trust me, it looks absolutely stunning on brown eyes. And then to help me blend out that outer corner, I'm just going into that brown eyeshadow, and I also did mix some of that dark pink shade. And I'm just kind of doing the same thing, just kind of making sure that it's the most pigmented on that outer corner, and then dragging it in to kind of blend everything together. And then I picked up this angled brush and some black eyeshadow, and I'm just starting to create an outer V. So I'm just dragging it in and just doing a V shape, and then going in with my small tapered brush and a little bit more of that dark brown eyeshadow and just really blending everything together. And then I definitely felt like I wanted to apply some liner, so I picked up my Schwing liner by The Balm. Absolutely love this liner because it's very black and it's very matte, and I love matte eyeliners. I don't like when eyeliners have a sheen to them. And then I'm going into this pencil brush and some more of that black eyeshadow and just kind of blending that outer edge into that liner and then peeling off my tape. For lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Barbados lashes. The link to check out those lashes will be in the description box down below. And then for my waterline, I'm applying my Mr.Write liner by The Balm in the shade Seymour Love Letters. And then for my lower lash line, I just applied that dusty pink shade, the warm transition shade. And then I'm going to be picking up an angled brush and some of that black eyeshadow. And I'm just going to be blending that onto the very outer corner, not dragging it all the way in. And very precisely just applying it as close to the waterline as possible. And then going back in with that first smudger brush to kind of blend everything together. And then I'm applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my lower lashes. And then I'm picking up this gold eyeshadow and I'm just popping that onto my inner corner. And then the very last thing for this look, I just ran my spoolie through some bar soap and then I'm running it through my brows. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you watched to the very end, thank you so much for supporting our channel and watching our videos. It means the world to us. And also, if you're new to our channel, we have monthly giveaways. We pick a new giveaway winner at the end of every single month and we ship you a box of goodies. So all you have to do to be entered is give this video a big thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done in the comment section down below. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!